everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Suno AI coupon codes 2025. So I found this website which is called knosy.com. So go ahead and then search or type Suno. Now click on this first field, and here you can see some of the best promo code coupons for August 2025. So here you can see get 75% AI off music generators using this Suno competitors, which is active today. So you can try to get this code as well. And all you have to do is just copy the code. And once you go to this Suno AI, go to their checkout pages and then paste the copy to apply the discount. And I'm going to show you where to apply the promo code. So just scroll down and click on upgrade. And here you have to select a package. I'm going to select the Pro, which is the most popular one. Now this is their checkout pages. Just all you have to do is paste the promo code. Okay, just copy this and paste it right here. And all you have to do is just click apply, and you can see if they offered any discount or not. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.